Hello, I'm Mark Hite, President of the Greater Chattanooga Association of Realtors, and I'm coming to you today from Ottawa, Tennessee, where severe storms and tornadoes struck on March the 2nd, destroying and damaging many homes and businesses in the area. Later in the broadcast, we're going to speak with a local insurance agent who will give us some important tips regarding homeowners insurance and steps you should take now to make sure your home is properly protected. But first, I'm here to bring you the local home sales results for the month of February 2012. The local real estate market showed striking gains in every category during the month of February, according to data released by the Multiple Listing Service of the Greater Chattanooga Association of Realtors, or GCAR. Statistics for February indicated that the Southeast Tennessee and Northwest Georgia area saw the sale of 442 residential units. That's a 21.8% year-to-year growth from the same period in 2011, and a 35% upsurge compared to January's numbers. The growth in sales in comparison with last year was in line with the number of pending transactions that GCAR has been tracking since the first of the year. Now on the pricing front, more good news. February's median home sales price was $124,450. That represents a welcomed rise of 3.7% from the same period 1 year ago. The median price for 2012 has started out on a stronger note than it did the last 2 years, which is welcome news for the economy and an improving market overall. February also saw a decrease of 4 days off of the average days on the market, moving from 151 days to 147, reflected in the noteworthy reduction in listing inventory to its current absorption rate of 11.4 months. Total inventory available for sale is down 20% from the same period last year. With sales increasing, we can expect the days on the market to decline further along with the supply of inventory as we slowly transition from a buyer's market into a seller's market. And now let's talk about emergency preparedness and homeowners insurance and what our homeowners should be thinking about today before tragedy strikes, so you don't end up in a difficult situation should you be the unfortunate recipient of severe weather. Okay, joining me now is Vickie Champion with Realty Center Insurance. Vickie, would you share with our viewers what are some of the types of coverages that homeowners should be considering in their insurance policies?
Well, Mark, I can't overemphasize how important it is for homeowners to have a guaranteed replacement cost policy that includes an inflation guard, so that 10 years down the road, their home is still insured for the correct value.
Okay. Any other features that they should look at as they look deeper into their policies?
Well, in regard to replacement cost, it's important that they realize that they should be insuring their home on a cost per square foot basis, not the appraisal price or what they paid for the home. That most insurance companies, 80%, use what we call the MSB to determine that replacement cost. And so they need to ask their agent, how are you arriving at the value for my home? So that you're not underinsured, so that your home doesn't end up destroyed and that you don't have enough coverage to replace it.
What about, like in this case where the home is not habitable, what kind of coverage should a homeowner have for that?
Right. Two more coverages that are important. Replacement cost on your contents, so that you can go buy what you had. If your TV is 10 years old, you're going to be going and buying new furniture, new clothing. And then the other important coverage is loss of use. And that coverage pays for you to all the costs associated with the loss of use of your home, whether it is boarding a pet, storing furniture, meals out, paying a deposit on a home or an apartment. All of that cost comes out of that coverage on your policy called loss of use. And so what's really important here is that homeowners call their agent every year when their homeowner's renewal comes to them in the mail, ask their agent to go over their policy with them, to review their coverage, talk about whether they have remodeled the home, done a new kitchen, a porch, a deck, so that they can ask that question, do I have enough coverage? Because their agent should be the one telling them whether they have enough or not.
Well, one final question. You talk about the replacement of your goods. Any suggestion how homeowners can document what they actually have?
Yes. There are several online websites. That one particular that is free is Dropbox.com, and you can video your home, its contents, open your cabinets, your buffet, your closet, go through and document what you have, and you can store that online up to 2 gig free so that people can access after a loss. They can go to any computer and pull up the contents of their home.
Excellent points for homeowners as well as our realtors who are helping homeowners make decisions.
Yes.
Thank you, Vickie.
Thank you.
So this brings to a close another of our monthly market reports. Now, as you've noticed, we've been taking the show on the road, and we're looking to you, our members, to give us suggestions of where you would like to see next month or any of the future month's videos produced. Simply send an email to j@gcar.net with your suggestions. I'm Mark Hite, President of the Greater Chattanooga Association of Realtors.